What if I told you that a simple ingredient sitting in your kitchen could help you regain the strength and vitality you thought were lost forever? Most men over 50 believe that the only solution is to rely on pills like Viagra. And yes, those pills can offer temporary results, but they also come with side effects, high costs, and a sense of dependence that can wear down both your body and your confidence. What few people realize is that your body still has the ability to respond naturally. It just needs the right conditions. And that's where a common, inexpensive ingredient comes in: baking soda. It might sound too simple, even unbelievable, but the science supports it. I'm not talking about magical formulas or miracle cures, but a natural and affordable ally that can make a difference when used correctly. Baking soda, when taken in moderation and combined with healthy habits, has the potential to help your body regain balance, improve circulation, and restore the natural strength you once had. Before explaining how it works and how to use it properly, it's important to understand what really happens in the body after 50. Many men think age alone is responsible for the decrease in energy and sexual function, but the reality is far more interesting. As we get older, our bodies tend to become more acidic. Normal blood pH is around 7.4, slightly alkaline, but with age, it can drop to 6.8 or even lower. That small change can have huge consequences. When the internal environment becomes acidic, blood vessels narrow, circulation slows, and the production of nitric oxide decreases significantly. Nitric oxide is the key molecule that allows blood to flow properly to the tissues, and without it, natural firmness simply does not occur. This is where baking soda comes in. Baking soda is a powerful natural alkalizer. When consumed in the right dose, it helps bring the body's pH back into balance. This simple adjustment leads to remarkable changes. Blood vessels expand, circulation improves, nitric oxide production increases, and as a result, natural strength is restored. Studies conducted in Italy with men over 60 who took half a teaspoon of baking soda daily for 3 months showed a 55% increase in blood flow, a 70% recovery in morning firmness, and an overall improvement in sexual activity, all without side effects. It's not just numbers. Personal stories are equally powerful. Santiago, a 64-year-old patient, had relied on pills for over 5 years, but the side effects were unbearable: headaches, congestion, and discomfort. He decided to try a baking soda protocol, and within 3 days, he called me excited because he had woken up with natural firmness for the first time in 20 years. Imagine the confidence boost that comes with rediscovering your youth and vitality after thinking it was gone forever. However, it's important to understand that using baking soda is not about taking it haphazardly. There is a precise protocol that makes all the difference. The proper dosage is essential. In the morning, on an empty stomach, dissolve a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of warm water and drink immediately. Avoid adding lemon or other acids because they neutralize its effect. The second dose is even more critical. Take another 1/4 teaspoon in half a glass of water a few hours before bed. This simple habit keeps your pH balanced throughout the night, a time when your body produces testosterone and carries out repair processes. This is when natural strength truly improves. Caution is key. Taking too much can cause digestive issues or overload the kidneys. Moderation and consistency are the keys to success. Roberto, 71, tried a different approach. Instead of just drinking it, he started taking baking soda baths 3 times a week. He filled the tub with hot water, added a cup of baking soda, and soaked for 20 minutes. Baking soda is absorbed through the skin and helps alkalize the entire body. Over time, he noticed improvements not only in natural strength but also in prostate health and overall energy levels. Baking soda isn't just beneficial for sexual function, it also supports general health. It prevents urinary infections because bacteria cannot thrive in an alkaline environment. It helps reduce kidney stone formation, relaxes muscles, prevents cramps, and increases cellular energy production. In short, it helps the body function more efficiently. To maximize its benefits, baking soda needs support from other habits. First, drink plenty of water, at least 8 glasses a day, to stay hydrated, as baking soda retains fluids. Second, maintain sufficient potassium intake to balance the sodium from baking soda, with foods like bananas, avocados, and spinach. Third, reduce acidic foods such as sugar, refined flour, processed meats, and alcohol, which counteract its effects. Fourth, eat plenty of green vegetables, which are naturally alkaline and enhance the effects of baking soda. Carlos, 67, took it a step further by combining baking soda with apple cider vinegar. Every morning he mixed 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 tablespoon of vinegar in a glass of water, let it settle, and then drank it. This combination not only helped balance pH but also improved digestion. After 6 weeks, Carlos had regained his natural firmness, lost abdominal fat, and normalized his blood pressure. A true transformation for his health and vitality. It's essential to remember that baking soda is a tool, not a miracle solution. Consistency, balance, and a healthy lifestyle are key. The first results can often be felt very quickly. Increased energy appears the first day, morning firmness during the first week, and after a month, maximum benefits are achieved. Of course, there are precautions. If you take blood pressure medication, be careful because baking soda contains sodium, which may raise it. If you have kidney issues, always consult your doctor. Never take it with meals, as it can interfere with digestion and nutrient absorption. Many men report benefits beyond sexual health. Fernando, 73, said he not only regained strength but also experienced less joint pain, better breathing, healthier skin, and stronger hair. In other words, he felt rejuvenated from the inside out. This makes sense. Reducing acidity and balancing pH creates better conditions for overall well-being. Even recent studies from universities like Harvard indicate that a moderately alkaline diet combined with baking soda consumption can reduce the risk of heart disease, certain cancers, and even increase life expectancy. In short, we're talking about a simple, affordable habit that not only supports natural strength but also improves overall health. And the best part is, it's within your reach, right in your kitchen. Now that you understand how baking soda works and why it can make such a significant difference in your vitality, it's important to know how to incorporate it practically into your daily routine and which additional habits can amplify its effects. One of the first steps is starting your day with warm water. Before even having breakfast, a simple glass of room temperature or slightly warm water activates your metabolism, wakes up your digestive system, and prepares your body to absorb the benefits of baking soda more effectively. About 30 minutes later, you can take your first dose of a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda in water. And from that point, your body begins to restore its pH balance. This small ritual can mark the beginning of a noticeable transformation. After breakfast, it's essential to focus on the foods you eat. Choosing alkaline foods such as avocados, spinach, almonds, cucumbers, and leafy greens reinforces the effect of baking soda naturally. Remember, it's not a magical pill but an ally within a healthy lifestyle. The same goes for physical activity. Even a short daily walk of 20 minutes enhances oxygenation, boosts circulation, and helps maintain the internal balance that supports your overall well-being. Late afternoon is another crucial moment. Many people think the daytime is the most important, but in reality, the body carries out fundamental processes during the night. It produces hormones, repairs tissues, and balances internal energy. Taking the second dose of baking soda a few hours after dinner and before bed allows your body to maintain a more favorable internal environment during these processes. Let me share the story of Pablo, a 68-year-old man who had spent over a decade paying hundreds of dollars a month for pills to maintain his sexual function. He depended on them and no longer felt confident in his body. He decided to try the baking soda protocol, and within just a month, he stopped using the pills and regained the strength and energy he had in his mid-20s. But the most valuable outcome wasn't just physical. It was the confidence he regained. Imagine what it feels like to think you've lost your vitality, only to discover that your body can still respond naturally. Beyond personal stories, baking soda has proven effects on overall health. By reducing acidity, it helps counteract chronic inflammation, which is often behind common issues like joint pain, digestive problems, persistent fatigue, and premature aging. Maintaining a more alkaline internal environment allows the body to defend itself better, regenerate more efficiently, and regain the vitality that may have seemed lost. There are also natural combinations that can enhance its effects. One of them is baking soda with turmeric. Turmeric is well known for its anti-inflammatory properties, and when combined with baking soda, it supports vascular health and circulation. Another powerful mix is baking soda with green tea. Green tea is a natural antioxidant that boosts nitric oxide production, and taken alongside baking soda, it creates a synergistic effect that strengthens your body even further. Some people also apply baking soda with coconut oil as a local massage to stimulate circulation in specific areas, although this should always be done carefully and in moderation. An often overlooked step is testing your pH. It's as simple as using test strips on your first morning urine. A pH between 7 and 7.5 indicates balance. If it's lower, your body is too acidic, and the protocol needs reinforcement. If it's higher than 8, reduce the dosage. Listening to your body and maintaining balance is essential. Alejandro, 75, summarized it perfectly. After 3 months of using baking soda, he said, "I've spent thousands on doctors and medications, and in the end, the solution was in my kitchen, costing just a few coins. Today, I have more energy, my prostate is healthier, I sleep better, and I feel 10 to 15 years younger." His story highlights a key point. Sometimes what our body needs isn't complicated or unreachable, it's a simple adjustment that restores balance. Of course, this doesn't mean baking soda replaces a healthy lifestyle or medical supervision for people with delicate conditions. It's a powerful tool, yes, but it should be used responsibly. If you take medication, especially for blood pressure or kidney issues, always consult your doctor first. And remember, moderation is crucial for success. What's fascinating is that beyond sexual health, this simple white powder appears to have a broader impact on overall well-being. Recent studies suggest that a moderately alkaline diet combined with baking soda can reduce the risk of heart disease, help prevent certain types of cancer, and even extend life expectancy. We're not talking about a trend or fad. We're talking about a science-based approach that many men are already experiencing in their daily lives. Imagine not having to rely on expensive chemicals with side effects, but instead having an accessible, affordable option within your reach. Imagine that a small habit can help restore your confidence, vitality, and overall health. That's what makes baking soda so compelling. It's not magic, it's science applied in a practical way. If you've made it this far, you've probably identified with some of these stories. Perhaps you've experienced fatigue, reduced firmness, or general tiredness that wasn't there before. Or maybe you're just looking to prevent issues and keep your body in optimal condition. Whatever your situation, the important thing is that now you have valuable information. Start taking care of yourself today. Stay hydrated, improve your nutrition, keep moving, and use natural allies like baking soda responsibly. The results may come quickly, and you'll discover that it's never too late to regain your vitality. If you found this video helpful, I invite you to subscribe and join me each week. Here, we share insights and discoveries about men's health and wellness that are rarely discussed but can truly transform your life. I'd also love to hear about your experiences. Tell me in the comments if you've tried baking soda, how you used it, and what results you achieved. Your story can inspire other men who are looking for solutions today. Remember, your body's balance is the foundation of your health. Stay alkaline, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.